In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Midea AC to Wi-Fi. So on your phone as example, the first thing that you'd like to do is basically download the M Smart Home application. Once you download it, just go and create an account or sign in if you somehow have an account. If your EC manual specification mentions Net Home Plus, use that app instead. So once you do so, you'd like to turn on the air conditioner, then press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your remote for about 7 to 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon starts blinking or the AP appears on the display. The exact button combination may vary slightly by model, so you may not find it there. So in the M smartphone or smart home app, you can tap on plus to add a device, then choose your air conditioner and follow the on-screen instructions. The app should detect the AC automatically and you can select it manually as well. They will show you the instruction exactly, and of course this will be depending or may vary depending on the version or by model as well. So once you finish pairing it basically, you will find it that is connected as an example and it's added to your phone application. Then, if you want, you can go and test the connection, try turning the AC on and off, changing the temperature, switching modes, adjusting the fan speed, and if the command works, the setup is completed. Normally, once you are setting up the connection, they may give you a password, so make sure to keep that just in case. If you want to add it to another device as well, they'll ask you for that code. So yeah, you should be good to go, and the AC should be, or the Midea AC should be connected to your Wi-Fi. Of course, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi, so the Midea AC will be connected to the Wi-Fi as well. Is while you are doing the pairing mode, they will ask you to enter the Wi-Fi password, or if you already logged in into it, they will not ask you to do so. You'll just have to select your network if you have multiple ones. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.